Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about Selenium WebDriver architecture. Okay, in the last lecture, we already discussed that we write the Selenium code in the languages like Java, PHP, Ruby, C Sharp, Python, JavaScript, right? So, yeah, just look at the screen what I am writing. So, we'll discuss about WebDriver architectures. Here we write the code. We can write the code in the form of Java, PHP, C Sharp, okay, C Sharp, Ruby, Python, and JavaScript. So in this case, what happens whenever we just a minute, yeah, whenever we write the code in this language, so whenever we trigger the test, we write the code in the editor, and whenever we trigger the test, this complete Selenium code which we have written in this languages on editor, it get converted into a JSON format. Okay, it converted into the JSON format and it sends on our browser driver. Okay, it sends on the browser driver. So what are the different browsers driver are there? So different browser drivers, I already explained that for IE we are using Internet Explorer driver. For Chrome we use Chrome driver, right? Same for Firefox, we use Gecko driver, right? This kind of thing. And okay, so this is in the JSON format. So it sends on the respective browser driver, and then again this browser driver communicates with its respective browser. Okay, this browser's driver communicate with its respective browsers with the help of, again with the help of HTTP protocol. Here it will, HTTP protocol is there. This browser driver, okay, this browser driver will communicate with its respective browser with the help of HTTP protocols, and it execute the command by interpreting the JSON on the browser. Again, what happens, this browser drivers, it receives a response back from the browser. Okay, and once they receive the response from the browsers, okay, so it sends this response back to the client. Back to the client, it means on our desktop. Okay, this is the important thing. This is the WebDriver architecture. Okay, first what happened, we write the code in the form of Java, PHP, C Sharp, Ruby, Python, JavaScript on our editor, which is Eclipse or IntelliJ, whatever it is. We write the code, and once we trigger those test, it, what happens, the complete Selenium code which we have written is converted, it's sent to the browser driver with the help of HTTP protocol, with the help of, I'll write here, HTTP protocol, with the help of HTTP protocols, and it sends to the browser driver. Again, browser driver communicates with respect to browsers, and execute a command by interpreting the JSON which is received on the browser, and again browser drivers again receives a response back from the browsers. Okay, and as soon as they receive the response, this also browser driver also sends the response, JSON response back to the client. So in overall, this browser drivers act as a mediator between our machine and our browser. Okay, in this way, WebDriver architecture, it's a WebDriver architecture, how Selenium internally works. Okay, so the second point is, okay, So this is all about WebDriver architecture. I'll explain the next thing is what are the different browser driver classes. I already mentioned here browser driver is communicated with browser. So what are those? For Chrome we use Chrome driver. Okay. For Firefox we use Gecko driver. For Safari we use Safari driver, right? And for IE we use Internet Explorer driver is there. Internet Explorer driver is there. Okay, so these are different browser driver classes. What are these? These are browser driver classes. Sorry for my printing mistake, guys. These are the all browser driver classes. So how we can declare this browser driver classes? Why we declare to invoke that particular web browser to automate? For that purpose we use this browser driver classes. It act as a mediator. How will we write the code to invoke that? For example, for Chrome we write Chrome driver is equals to new Chrome driver. New Chrome driver. Okay, this is the syntax for it. And what is this Chrome driver here? Chrome driver is the class and driver is the object here. Okay, and what is this new Chrome driver? New is the keyword which helps to allocate the memory for the Chrome driver class. In this way we can initialize the Chrome driver. Okay, same thing. Okay, same happens with the other. If we want to invoke other browsers in the same fashion we can invoke. Same for Gecko driver is there, right? Same for Firefox, sorry, Gecko and Firefox same. Same for IE, same for Safari. Internet Explorer driver is also same. And one more thing, in interview most of the times interviewer asks the question like why we use initialization is like this only. WebDriver, we have to use WebDriver instead of Chrome driver. We used why we used, I'll tell you. WebDriver driver is equals to new Chrome driver. We write like this instead of Chrome driver is equals to new Chrome driver. Why? This is the important question. Interviewer asks us why you use WebDriver, why not Chrome driver, why not Gecko driver? Firefox driver is equals to new Gecko driver, like this. So the answer is here. What is this WebDriver here? First, WebDriver is an interface here. Okay, driver is an object, new Chrome driver. We create the right. New is the keyword. We create the object of the Chrome driver here. So here I already said WebDriver is an interface which provide a set of browser, right? Set of browser methods with the empty bodies. So if we create the object of this Chrome driver class, no, then it has a WebDriver method as well as its own Chrome driver class method also. So in this case what happens, like this driver object has the access to the method of Chrome driver as well as the WebDriver, the method which are present in the WebDriver interface also. So it's good when we want to run on different browsers, right? So this is the main thing why we use WebDriver. Okay, in short we can say here कि WebDriver is an interface. So whenever we create the object of Chrome driver class, so we have the access of the method which are present in the WebDriver interface also. Okay, so this is the important thing. And what is the interface? The another question comes, right? So interface is what? Interface is a group of method with the empty bodies. Just the method is there, but the method body is not present, okay, in interface. So this is the important thing. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Tomorrow in next lecture we will discuss about different WebDriver methods. Till then, bye. Thank you so much.